Palat ars pangut ki riunget Buddhism ki basyong basa ha Shillong ki ba hapo ka Shillong Tibetan Settlement Office ki lapenlong ya ka jingdwai lang ka ba ars ngi kinti na du ka arpo tarik ya yong hadu arpoi tarik kum kadak ka Jingpyrshah ya ka Jingpynthoh Bria ya ka kerteng unong yalam niam bakhuit ka Buddhism u Dalai Lama halor ka video bala sa priang bha hagirinsan social media hagini kisngi hakani ga video la yo I ba u Dalai Lama u la do I yaw weu khna bat ban pha do yo thli jang u ha ka por ba u do kani galapen long ki babun ki media na kelengkari ban pen sapriang da ka khubor bakalong ka ba excitement bat ka bam juyo ikon nakaliang ki riung Buddhism kilaong bakani ga jing pen sapriang ka dai na ki telong khubor ka China ki basyun bat kilabu e ka jing pat ki thup khubor bat ki reu pat ba bakin da bishar bha shuba ban kren ai khnang bakan nam yalam bakla kani galapen long ki babun ki Dukan jong ki jaj ben riu Tibetan ki basyong di Dukan Khyndailad kum ga Glory Plaza Tibetan Market bat ki wei bakin Khang shua menta arsi kum kadak ka Jingpyrshah
Hello, my name is Tenzin Samtin. I am Settlement Officer of the Shillong Tibetan Settlement Office, which comes under the Central Tibetan Administration, seated at Dharamshala. And today, the Tibetan community of Shillong is holding two-day prayer meet at this Gandhi Shilling Monastery as a symbol of solidarity with His Holiness the Great 14th Dalai Lama, as he was unfairly labelled by few media house and few so-called celebrities over recent doctored viral clip. Around 200 Tibetans of Shillong has gathered here at this event, and through this event we are asking all the people to watch the entire video before jumping to conclusions. And we believe whoever is heard will stop misinterpreting, and by that they will stop defaming His Holiness the Dalai Lama. And we believe that the viral clip is instigated by pro-Chinese sources, as the original video has been published in end of February, but the clip got viral in the month of April, so it definitely suggests that there are pro-Chinese sources for this clip getting viral. And the political angle of this issue we cannot ignore at all, because His Holiness symbolizes he is the epitome of the Tibetan people as a whole, and yeah, that's it. What kind of discrimination? I think the video is misinterpreted by different people, and it is, since the video is doctored, it is created in such a way that it might be most probably misinterpreted. And having said that, there can always be given room for the benefit of doubt, but at the same time one should not jump to conclusion without analyzing the whole issue, or without watching the whole context and the clip, and the action, and where his action of His Holiness is coming from. So we would like to suggest the viewers to watch the entire video, and then you can jump to conclusion. but we definitely believe that the people will truthfully know what has happened. From our side, since if the video is doctored, if the video is tailored, then all we can ask is whoever is getting hurt, all we can ask is see the entire clip or the entire function what has happened. Actually, in the clip, the boy, people are suggesting that the boy has been harassed, but the boy, that boy in the video clip spoke to 2 media houses, and he is absolutely fine, and his mother was also there at the function, and his mother has no problem, and not even that, she is blessed to receive blessing from His Holiness the Dalai Lama, and she has been looking forward for that even for a very long time. So there has been no accusation of any sort from the mother and the boy. So I think it is a baseless accusation from those who got hurt, I think.